Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Edge if it's blocking downloads and not downloading. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and test other browsers if it downloads the file that you wanted to download. If it's not, well, there might be a problem with your internet or computer security. Okay, so first up, let's go ahead and fix Edge right here. So open up Edge and just type down Edge right here in the address bar, Edge :// and type down settings / privacy, and then just hit on enter. Okay, and then in here we are going to find the security section, so just go ahead and click on it, and then in here you're gonna want to find Smart Screen if it's available. Right here under protect from harmful sites and downloads, uses Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Disable this one, and then once that's done, just close the Edge browser, reopen it, and after that, try to download, and everything should work perfectly fine now. If that still won't work, you might want to go to your search bar right here and just type down Smart Screen, okay? And then you're going to want to click on App and Browser Control. Then under Smart App Control, click on Smart App Control Settings, and make sure that this one is turned off, okay? As well as Reputation-Based Protection, turn it off, okay? So once that's done, again, reopen the Edge browser and you should be good to go. That is it. If all else fails, I'll just basically use a different browser. Okay, you can use Google Chrome or even Brave right here. Or let's say you have a downloads right here under your Edge browser, just click on it. For example, if this is the download, just click on the 3 dots beside it, okay, and just click on the keep option, okay? But just make sure that the thing that you wanted to download is safe. All right, so keep it and then install it. And that is how you fix Microsoft Edge if it's blocking downloads and not downloading. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.